So welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be doing another unboxing. It's Dark Souls once again, the Kickstarter, and this time it's the character expansion. Okay, here we are with the characters expansion for Dark Souls. This is the front of the box, and here we have the back. In fact, what I'll do is I'll take the cellophane off and show you the back, because it's going to be much easier doing it that way. That is assuming, of course, I can push my blade out. There's a little bit stuck out, so that will be enough for what we need. There we are. And I'll just snip that part, and we will get this cellophane off. I know it does take a little while sometimes. It doesn't seem to want to play. There we are. So here we are with the front of the box, and we have Deprived, Thief, Sorcerer, Mercenary, Pyromancer and Cleric. They're the characters. And then there's armour sets. Black Iron Armour, Katarina Hammer, Black Knight Armour, Guardian Armour, Havel's Armour, Embraced Armour of Favour, Crimson Robes, Explorer's Armour, Dark Armour and gold trimmed black robes. In the box you will find 6 character miniatures, 6 character boards, 23 starting equipment cards, 60 class specific treasure cards, 10 armour set miniatures, 10 common treasure cards, 10 legendary treasure cards and a rules insert. Okay, so let us open this up and see what's inside. Again, it opens up like a pizza box, and we have the rule book. It's not as thick as the last one we did. Not as thick as the last one we looked at. It's just a couple of pages, a couple of A4 pages stapled in the middle. That's it basically. But we'll pop it to one side, and here are the character boards. We have a Deprived, Thief, Cleric, Sorcerer, Pyromancer, and Mercenary. There we are. We have cards and we have the miniatures. Once again, I'm going to put these miniatures out of the way. There we are, it's all done, all open. So all we have to do is go through them now. But first off, we'll look at the cards. Missed. There we are. I know people don't like me opening cards like this, but oh well, never mind. Just in case you're wondering what that is, that's the rules book reflecting the light from the lamps that I'm using. Okay, so the cards are there. I'm going to lower the camera for going to lower the camera so we can have a proper look at these. Okay, so they're lowered, and we can now just have a quick look at what's here. So we have Embraced Armour of Favour, Adventurer's Armoury, Dark Armour, Crimson Robes, Black Knight Armour, Black Iron Armour, Guardian Armour, Havel's Armour, Katarina Hammer, Gold Helm Robes. We're just going to have a quick nosy through some of these cards. We're not going to be going into any detail on these because, let's face it, there's lots and lots of cards here. This all seems to be equipment cards. So there we are. There are different things on the back for the different characters. The sorcerers, the pyromancer, and all them. But there he is, got him. This is the first of the main characters, and this is the thief. There. And there's a thief. And then we have the mercenary. Then I can find the little beggar. Got it? I'm actually trying to find the mini that looks like the sculpt, and in this I can't. Because there doesn't seem to be a mini that looks like that. I guess that's it. I think that might be him. Yeah, that's the mercenary. Trying to match things with the picture, and the picture shows it like that, and I thought it was some another form of weapon. It wasn't. It was the edge of the shield, and I couldn't make it out what it was. So that's the mercenary. Next we have the cleric, who looks like this. Well, this will look quite good for, if you remember the D&D games we had to stop. Ali's character was a cleric. And then we have the pyromancer, who looks like a Native American. And we have a sorcerer, who looks like this. And finally, we have the Deprived, who looks like this. Yep. Right, next we have the different armour sets. So it starts off with the black iron armour that looks like that. And that's a nice mini, big and bulky. That's the black iron armour. And then we have the Katarina Hammer. And you've seen this one before. Yes, it's the same Katarina Hammer that you saw in the previous video. Next we have the Black Knight Armour. base looks like that. I do like these. I'm looking forward to painting these up. And next we have the Guardian armour, which is this one. What's when it's off is the size of that, I think. Just trying to focus on the front of the massive axe that he's carrying. Yeah. Next we have Havel's armour, which looks like that. Not sure if that's a big stone club or what. But not stone club, a wooden club. Oh, possibly. It looks like a wooden club. Well, it does look like something. I'm not saying anything further. Next we have the Embraced Armour of Favour, which looks like this. Really, really nice. Next we have the Crimson Robes, which is this one. Maybe something meant for a sorcerer of some description, some form of magic user anyway. Next we have the Adventurer's Armour. Where are you, where are you, where are you? There you are. This is the Adventurer's Armour. What that is on the shield. What it's supposed to be. I say I'm not familiar with the computer game at all, so I don't know what all these are, but I'll find out. Next we have the Dark Armour, which is this one. Really nice. Looks like it's been worn by a skeleton or a zombie of some description. Definitely something that's undead. And then the final one is the gold trimmed black robes, and that's this. Like a ring wraith from Lord of the Rings. A lovely piece of sculpting. Really dark and moody. I do like this. Right, so that's it for this video. I will zoom out so that you have a proper look again. Oh, another look. Yeah, I hope you can see it properly. I'll move the knife. So as I say, that is it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. There are a couple more yet to go for Dark Souls, so join me in the next one when we'll be opening another box. So until then, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.